with a regular broom, where does it always go? Stuff in the broom and it floats everywhere, right? I'm gonna use a little cat litter because in case there's anybody that's got cats out there in the crowd. Now, when you're sweeping, the hair doesn't float, nor does it get lodged in the bristles. Nothing left here, nothing in the ear. Wet or dry, indoors or out, you can put your solution down, scrub, flip it over. We actually have a squeegee on the back. You can wash everything from the windows to the walls. It's good for your baseboards. Take it outside for concrete. Don't ever worry about wearing the head down. We give you a forever guarantee on that. If anything ever happens to the handle, any standard handle fits. Now, these are also great for scrubbing your shower doors, tiles, pool liners, jacuzzis. Great for the AC vents. There isn't much the brooms don't do. And with a forever guarantee, it's the last broom you ever have to buy. Online, we sell the brooms for $60 plus shipping, but our show price is half price, just $30 today. A regular broom at Walmart's like 20 bucks, and you throw it out and it holds a bunch of bacteria where ours does not. And you can even wash it if you have to. Now I'm gonna show you the rollers. Go ahead and give us a squeeze, feel that. Super tacky, no smells, no residues. I'll squeeze it for you, ma'am. Up and down for lint on clothing and furniture. Picks up pet hair, people hair, we all do shed. Even find things like dirt, dust, and sand in the car, on the floor mats, the carpets, the seats. No more peeling sheet after sheet, just rinse it. Warm to hot water, Dawn dish soap makes it brand new. It towel dries in only 5 seconds and it's ready to go. If you could find a way to wear it out, dry it out, or break it, don't throw it out, I replace it. Now you get a cover for it. You're gonna get our travel size for your purse, your glove box, your suitcase, your pocket. Don't leave home without it. And everyone loves my big one. For the sofa and the bed. Under the sofa and bed where the vacuum doesn't reach. Great up high for cobwebs and spider webs. And all standard ceiling fan blades actually pass through the center slot. You can dust the ceiling fans. It is good for hardwood, laminate, vinyl, tile, linoleum, porcelain, and marble. What's the #1 mess on the bathroom floor, folks? Please don't say pee. Yeah, it's always hair. Long hairs that wrap around the vacuum cleaner brushes. With a man in the house, beard hair, chest hair, and mystery hair. It's no mystery there. Picks up makeup powder, baby powder, kitty litter, even all that stripper glitter. That's right, I support single moms. The only thing that doesn't wash away is all the shame, because there is none. How much is it? Thanks for asking. So, 12 years in business. On the box, you'll find my cell phone, Facebook, email, and website. If there's an issue, you're going to call me directly, David Donda, 315-790-9518, not 1-800, we speak you no English. And I'll send you a brand new one. Now, the 2-piece normally sells for 60 bucks online, but wait, there's more. We're going to give you a second travel size. The house and floor model sells for 60. We're not selling it today. It's our gift at the show, free with the set. All 4 for just half price, 60 bucks, and it's guaranteed forever. I take cash or card. How many would you like? And also, yep. So 60 and 30 equals 90. Yep. So normally that would be 120 and 60, so 180. You're saving 180 if you bought the whole thing. You get half off. And I'm David with Forever Sticky. Phone number 315-790-9518. ForeverSticky.com. Like us on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and OnlyFans.